Good morning everyone. Welcome to Venus News Channel. The news bulletin brought to you by Pawan. Bhavana. Local news. AP government sets up expert panel for LAP vision.
Andhra Pradesh launches Raitanna Nikosam to boost farm sector.
AP CM tells officials to improve public service delivery by updating technologies.
Andhra Pradesh forms panel to push urban playing reforms.
National news. Canada's foreign minister says he is working fast to advance India trade deal.
Who is offered to surrender by February 15 in letter in 3 CMs.
Modi to visit Ayodhya hoist scared flag at Ram Temple.
Goa tops in digitalization of SAR forms Kerala late.
International news. Trump and US protect states for Myanmar national.
Bangladesh seeks Hasina's extradition, sends letter.
Bangladesh hosts military production team from Pakistan.
At least 24 killed has landed streaks in Gaza. Ceasefires. Latest test. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shweta. I am from 5th class. From past 4 days, our 5th class students are conducting assembly. As part of that, now our 5th class students are going to sing one patriotic song. I request 5th class students to please come on to the stage.